Hi, congratulations for taking action. This is Allan Mantaring from the beautiful islands of the Philippines. So, in this video, I will share you an amazing done-for-you system which helped me generate $11,550 in just 30 days. So, yes, it's amazing, right? And the good thing is not only me earning thousands of dollars every day on this system. So how this system works, right? So just watch. David will explain to you how it works and how it will work for you like an ATM cash machine, right? So are you excited? Okay, what's this?
Hey, what's going on? It's David, and if you clicked over to this page from one of my marketing systems, first of all, congratulations, because you are on the path to something wonderful. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Just in the past little while, ever since I started promoting this system, I want to share with you my results because, look, numbers do all the talking in this system. And let me show you exactly what I mean. So here we are, I'm logged into my account. If I click on dashboard, as you can see, in the time that I've been promoting this specific system through my marketing systems, which you're going to have access to as part of signing up to this, what you can see here is $180,000, 650, which guess how much of that I actually got to keep? I got to keep the whole thing. And so can you with the 100% commissions that are built into this specific income stream. So what I want to do is I actually want to show you that, look, it's not just myself that's getting results with this. With my marketing system combined with this specific income stream, check out what members are saying. I'm actually here inside the Facebook group, and I'm just going to kind of casually scroll down because this is an endless wall of testimonials that you're going to be able to see. And I'm not going to go through all of them, but I just want to show you exactly what you're about to sign up to. And it's really important that you sign up to the highest level possible, which is the $2,000 level, simply because you're not going to be missing out on any commissions. And secondly, there are some pretty cool bonuses that you actually get access to if the promotion is still available at the time you're watching this video. So here's Al as an example, one of the members of my system who activated this income stream, was able to do $150 while making breakfast. Here's another one from Larry. This is a different income stream. Let's look at Dirk over here. 37 minutes ago posted a $1,000 payment that he received, and guess how much of that he got to keep? He got to keep the whole thing. Here's another one from Al, waterfall of payments, as you can see right there. Here's another one from Allan. He got a $1,000 payment, and he hit his first $10,000 month, which is incredible. Here's another one from Shurin, $7,000 in 8 days. Here's another one from Shurin that posted before. He did $6,500. Another one from Sam, who did $47,000 in 90 days. This is just one of my own videos. Here's Alex, who did $2,700 in a single day. Here's Clay, who actually did this with another income stream of my system. And let's see, here's another one from Ali, who 11 hours ago posted a $500 payment, another $500 payment, a $250 payment, a $25 payment, and another $25 payment. So as you can see, this is imperative and really, really important that you really maximize your earnings from this specific income stream. And I can keep going here. Here's Scott, who is done with my system combined with this income stream. He has done over $31,000 in 29 days. Here's Jeff, who had a $600 day yesterday, and the day before that he had a $4,000 day. Here's another one from Alok, who had his first sale, which congratulations to him. Here's Brenda, who got a $500 commission, and I could literally keep going on and on and on. I mean, this is just endless. Here's Miles, who had a $2,100 day. Here's Arjun, who had a $100 bill who got a $100 bill while making dinner. Here's Jeff that I just mentioned with a $4,000 day, two $2,000 commissions. And look, I could keep going here. Here's another member, Joshua, who had a $14,000 week. $14,000 week just in the past week. So, I mean, I could keep going here. Here's another one from a member by the name of Daniel, $25. Ontarian, who on a lazy Sunday while playing with his pup did $2,000. And I could just keep going on and on and on. I mean, you get the point, right? Here's another one from a member by the name of Kappa who did $500 and another bunch of commissions here. And here's another one, Roberto, $100, and it just endless. It just keeps going and keep going. Here's Paulo with a $2,000 commission. Here's another Paulo with a $2,350 a day. $2,300 a day before he even had a chance to sip his coffee in the morning. It's 8:54 a.m. So as you can see, this works. I mean, here's another member, Quint, just payment. And I could just keep going here. Here's another one from Allan. So my point in this video is this, okay? If you're going to activate this income stream, okay, you want to make sure that you're doing it to the highest and best level, simply because you don't want to be missing out on commissions and you don't want to be missing out on bonuses. I explained all the bonuses on the page that you came to this page from inside my system. And if you didn't come to this page from my system, then somehow I guess you'll get access to my system and you'll get to learn about it. So what you're going to want to do is simple. Simply sign up on the left or the right here. I'm not sure where it's going to show up as part of this video, but fill out the form, make sure to select the username and fill out all the details and click sign up. And then as soon as you're inside, you want to go to the My Products area and activate the highest possible level, simply because it's going to help you maximize your commissions. And then it's also going to help you maximize the bonuses that you get. Now, if you're on this page and it shows a different name other than my own name, my name is David Eagle, if we haven't got a chance to meet yet, then what I want you to do is go ahead and still sign up, because all it means is it's just one of my members that is using my system that is actually invited you to this page. So you're still going to be able to promote the system just as if you signed up through me, and you're still going to be able to use my system and stuff. So just make sure to go ahead and sign up, because one of the bonuses that I help my members with is I also help you get traffic, and there's a rotation, all that kind of stuff. It's a lot of really cool bonuses that I give my members. So as long as you are on this page and you're watching this video, make sure to sign up, whether it's on the left or the right here, I'm not really sure. But go ahead and sign up, and then go inside and activate your system to the highest possible level, which is a 2K level. And you want to make sure to come in at that level, because that's going to maximize the potential commissions you can make. And keep in mind that you get to keep 100% of these commissions, right? And number two is that you're going to be maximizing the amount of bonuses that you can get from me and my team members and the system and everything. So that's it for this video. One final thing that I'll mention is this. Look, I got to where I am today, where I live in a brand new house. I drive a Lexus. I take multiple vacations a year, and I really live the dream lifestyle. And I got here not by saying no to opportunities. I got here by saying yes to opportunities. So if you're on this page and you're kind of curious, okay, should I proceed? Should I not? Is this going to work? Well, if everything that I showed you is not convincing you so far, then that means you probably, you still having the mindset of this is not possible and it's not something that's potentially can happen to you. But I can tell you that members just like you that have been part of my systems and have activated this income stream and have actually used the system properly and have sent traffic the way I showed them to, have been able to produce phenomenal results. Now, with that being said, there's no guarantee whatsoever, but if you're consistent with what you do and you have access to the right income streams, the right system, the right person helping you and everything else, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be able to get to where you want to get to with your online business. So with that being said, go ahead, get yourself an account, sign up wherever it is on the left or on the right, and then make sure to activate it to the highest possible level, which is the 2K level. And this way you're going to maximize the amount of commissions you can potentially make. And number two is you're going to be able to qualify for whatever bonuses, I promised you in the system, as long as the bonuses are not expired. If they are expired and you don't qualify, then I'm sorry, it's off the table. But if you do qualify and you are part of the bonuses, and your account can get those bonuses, then by all means, this is the level you want to come in at. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Go ahead, get yourself an account, and I'll see you inside the back inside the marketing system after you complete all your setup with this system, which shouldn't take too long. It's literally a very, very simple process. And you want to make sure not just to create an account, because that's not going to take you anywhere. You can't earn commissions if you don't actually activate your account. Make sure to activate your products, pay for the resale license, and everything is active. Once you do that, then you can actually start using my marketing system for me to help you with marketing this program. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you back at the marketing system after you're done setting up this. So talk soon. Bye for now.